crew links, engine links, power plant and power on line. Crew links. Coaching links will be drawn as per HOER. Coaching links are drawn to the maximum extent within the stipulated 85 hours laid down by Railway Board. Senior-most LPs Mail-Bar Express will be booked to work Rajdhani and Shatabdi and Duronto trains. As per seniority, Superfast Bar, Mail Bar, Express train links are drawn. Passengers bar, Suburban bar, local trains link are drawn separately. Non-daily links are drawn separately. Crew should cover all directions to avoid LR laps. The duty hour should not exceed 8 to 10 hours. Crew should not be away from headquarters for more than 3 to 4 days. One time by passing of headquarters is permitted. More than 6 continuous night working is not permitted. Links should not be lengthy, to be divided into 10 to 12 men per link. Mail bar express casualty will be filled by senior LP bar passenger. Passenger casualty will be filled by senior goods crew screened by a committee. In case of emergency, if screened crew are not available to work the trains, LI should accompany up to destination. This is 22 LP's Max SC link. Engine links. The following precautions are to be taken to work out engine links. Engine links are prepared to work out the requirement of engines per mail bar express, bar passenger and suburban trains. These links will be drawn as per WTT timings. Follow the rake links as far as possible. The links should not exceed 5000 kilometers or 10 days schedule. On each link, work out for scheduled kilometers, total kilometers and kilometers per day per engine in use. Sufficient time at terminating stations is to be given for picking up another train. Indicate whenever fueling is necessary. During long layover at terminals, engine may be planned for short trips. For a long distance coaching trains, as far as possible, avoid cutting off engines at intermediate junction points. Links to be drawn separately for mail bar express and passenger trains. Outstations schedule to be avoided. Whenever necessary, one outstation schedule is given with 6 to 8 hours time for schedule. As far as possible, plan for day schedule. Do not bunch locos for schedule attention. A minimum of 10 to 12 hours to be given for schedule at home shed. This is types of locos WDG3A. Power plant. Power plant is separated by headquarters of COM. Power branch basing on division wise requirement projected by traffic. The projections will indicate section wise, division wise, proposed number of goods trains, pilots and BT. Section wise bare power requirement is calculated on the base of the traffic turnaround and average number of trains run on each section. The formula is being adapted to work out bare requirement. Section kilometers multiplied with 2 and multiplied with number of locos total divided by target utilization. Basing on the power plan, the distribution of locomotives will be done division wise according to the requirement. Locomotive holding is arrived adding the schedules requirement or this purpose. 10% for heavy schedules and 10% for minor schedules. 10% for all co-locos, 5% for GM locos and 12.5% for WTP1, P2, P3A locos. Railway board is apprised about the shortfall or excess in the power plan and assistance is asked for whenever there is a shortfall and surplus is given to other railways as directed by the board. Power on line. Prepared once in 6 months. Average number of trains run on each section per day. and average hours on road for last 6 months signed by power and OPTG officers. Formula: Bare POL equal to PDD plus HOR plus PAD. PDD pre-departure detention, HOR hours on road, PAD post-arrival departure detention. 3.5% further growth and 10% bunching allowance to be demanded on bare POL. Loco requirement for ART, ARMV and other locos which remain in outage but not added in POL for purpose of calculation of average kilometers to be added in the bare requirement. To arrive total POL last 6 months, average POL of shunting locos and coaching live over to be added. For shunting services, work out number of points for 8 hours shunting, demand 0.33 POL, add 1 loco as overlap against 6 locos and add 10% for major repairs. Kilometers formula: total kilometers earned on the average per day during last 6 months divided by average loco utilization. This is type wise loco holding as on 1/4/2015. Thank you.